What is up, guys? Done at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Canva video. So first, you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the home page, you need to click on video. And then if you have any of the video, you can choose a format and upload the particular video that you have in your PC storage. But if you don't have any of the video, you can just choose the video templates from here, which are pre-built by Canva. Click on any of the video template that you like once, and then in the new tab, the video template will be open. Now to add a logo on the left side, you can see the uploads button. Click on this uploads button and then click on upload files here at the top. And then your PC storage will open. You can just simply drag and drop it, the logo here in the timeline or on the left side area here. And after dragging and dropping here, your logo will appear. So let's say I like this logo. I'll click on it once. And then as you can see, it has appeared here in my video timeline or videos template. So I can adjust it, I can resize it according to my wish and requirement. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.